What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology and welcome to our new series on unlocking the power of Numpy for data science and machine learning. So this is going to be a introduction video for this series, and in this video I'll be going to walk through regarding the course outline and very basic like introduction about Numpy. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before I actually go through the introduction part, I just want to actually add few words. So one more time, let me welcome you to our series on the unlocking the power of Numpy for data science and machine learning. Whether you are a novice or experienced practitioner, if you want to unlock the power of data science, then probably you are at the right place. In this tutorial, or you can call it as a series of tutorial, we will dive into the incredible world of Numpy and how it can revolutionize your data analysis journey. Okay, so mastering Numpy is essential for manipulating and analyzing data efficiently, right? So before I actually start with the actual part, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting data science content. Also join us on this incredible journey, and let's unlock the power of data science together. This is the introduction part. We'll talk little bit about the Numpy and the course outline. So let's start with the present slide. So few words about Numpy, right? So Numpy is a short form of numerical Python, is a powerful library that allows for fast and efficient numerical operation. It provides the fundamental building blocks that form the foundation of many popular data science and machine learning frameworks, right? Okay, so I already talk about a little bit of Numpy and also its definition and what actually Numpy can do. Let's move ahead with the next slide, which is actually the Numpy core features. So basically, with Numpy, you can efficiently handle a large data set. You can perform complex mathematical computation. It's whether it's multidimensional array objects known as ND arrays enable you to actually store, manipulate, and analyze data or maybe larger data sets with ease, and maybe you can also save some time. Okay, so next, go ahead with the core functionalities or functionality highlights of Numpy. So Numpy offers a wide range of function and methods for array manipulation, statistical analysis, linear algebra, then image processing and signal processing, right? So by leveraging all these functionalities, you can actually unleash the full potential of your data science and machine learning project. Okay, next, go ahead with the next slide, that is the integration capabilities or integration with other libraries. In addition to its core functionalities, Numpy integrates seamlessly with other Python libraries like matplotlib, pandas, or maybe plotly or seaborn or any other stuff. Also there are some other machine learning libraries are there, for example scikit-learn, sklearn, tensorflow, pytorch, everything you can actually integrate with Numpy. So basically this allows you to combine the power of Numpy with the flexibility of data manipulation and as well as data visualization tools together, and this enables you to create insightful data analysis capability and compelling visualization. Okay, okay, next slide is actually performance optimization, and here actually we'll be going to talk about little bit about optimization. So guys, I'm just going to take a pause and let me actually remind you something. This is only the introduction part. Whatever I'm just going to walk through you right now, this is just going to give you a little bit like hint about Numpy and what are the capabilities. Maybe some of you already know, or maybe some of you are actually viewing or hearing this word for the first time. So it doesn't matter, our actual tutorial will start from the next video. Okay, so by taking time to master Numpy, you will gain actually deep understanding of its capabilities, and this will help you to optimize your code for maximum performance. So Numpy can help you to actually optimize your code performance, right? So that is why I'm actually mentioned this 2 point in this slide. So this will not only enhance your productivity but also lay a solid foundation for exploring advanced concepts in data science and machine learning, right? So NumPy is also for performance optimization or code improvement. Code you can actually run your code or execution or data or data science like pipeline or the data integration pipeline very fast. Okay, next actually foundation for advanced concepts. So basically whether you are data scientist or if you are a machine learning engineer or simply you are interested in the fascinating field of data analytics, then this course or this part is actually going to help you to build a solid groundwork for advanced data science and ML concept. And also just because we are actually going to explore the advanced part of the NumPy as well, so this will also enhance the productivity and insightful exploration within yourself, right? So let me check. Next we come to the next very important part, which is the course outline. Okay, so in the course outline, if you see, I am actually mentioned here total 10 topics: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total 12 topics are there, but out of that maybe I believe the conclusion part is actually not, I'm just going to talk is not a topic, but rather than I can actually help you guys to uh, do or give some idea about some project work or maybe some advanced resources, so that you can actually furthermore develop your or sharpen your skill, right? So in the first topic, which is introduction to NumPy, so in this slide or in this tutorial, I'll be going to talk about what is NumPy, importance of NumPy in data science and machine learning, and basic array creation, manipulation, operation, right? So next topic is actually our course is actually basic NumPy concept. So in this concept, we'll be going to talk about indexing, slicing, reshaping of arrays, and then the next important thing is actually array broadcasting. Then we'll be going to learn about universal functions, and after that we'll be going to do aggregation and reduction operations. So everything will be discussed first in little bit of theory, and after that we'll be going to do everything with the help of Python code, and we'll be going to create some hands-on experience, right? So I'll be going to give you a little bit about the theoretical part or little information about the theoretical part, but the maximum thing or maximum time I'll spend by writing the code with Python. Okay, so it will be a completely hands-on course. Okay, so next topic is actually intermediate NumPy concept. So in this part, we'll be going to do some fancy indexing and Boolean masking, which is very important. Then we'll do structure and record arrays. Okay, then we'll be going to do how to read and writing array data, and after that we'll be going to do advanced broadcasting. Okay, so next topic is actually advanced NumPy concept. So in this advanced NumPy concept, what we'll do, we'll be going to start our journey with memory layout and array views. Then we'll be going to do very detailed operation with linear algebra. How NumPy helps actually you to do something with linear algebra. Here I'll be going to actually start with a very basic example to do some advanced examples. Then we'll do advanced array manipulation techniques, and after that we'll be going to do multidimensional array and their indexing, right? So then actually our journey will start with data science. So first 1 2 3 4 5 tutorial actually going to build your basic foundation, or maybe you can say this 5 tutorial is the pillar, going to work as a pillar. Okay, then we'll be going to start working on NumPy for data science. Here we'll be going to start with data manipulation with NumPy array, exploratory data analysis using NumPy array, then we'll do statistical analysis with NumPy array, and handling missing data with NumPy array. All these things we'll be going to do with the help of NumPy. Then we'll start the machine learning. Okay, I can do it together, but just because sake of simplicity, I'll just create two separate module. Okay, in the next module we'll be going to do NumPy for machine learning. Here we'll be going to learn how to do feature engineering and pre-processing with NumPy. Then again we'll do some advanced operation with linear algebra in NumPy. Then we'll be going to do PCA, which is principal component analysis with NumPy, and after that we'll be going to do some linear equation solving capabilities with the help of NumPy. Okay, then another important and interesting and very exciting topic, which is also my favorite, and maybe most of you also excited to actually learn this topic, which is image processing with NumPy. So next module is actually NumPy for image processing. Okay, I actually missed that part right here. yes, so basically just hold on. So I can actually write this thing here, numpy for image processing and signal processing. So basically let me write this thing on live, image and signal processing, right? So let's start the, okay, so here what we'll do. So image processing, image representation using numpy array, image manipulation with numpy array, image filtration with numpy array, and convolution and edge detection using numpy array. All these techniques we'll be going to learn here using numpy. And trust me guys, these are the very like important operation if you are going to start working on image processing. Next comes the signal processing. So signal representation with numpy array, fast Fourier transformation using numpy array, and filtering and convolution using numpy array. So if you are electrical engineer or if you are working for some electronics project, then also these things are very important guys. Okay, so next topic or next module is actually numpy for optimization. So optimization using numpy arrays and function. First we'll start with this basic thing, and after that we'll be going to like sharpen our skill by doing some linear programming, and after that we'll be going to do the more operation using quadratic programming. Okay, and everything will be hands on. We'll be going to use continuous program like programming approach using Python. Okay, so next topic or next module is actually numpy for time series analysis. So time series data manipulation. Okay, we'll start with this topic, then we'll be going to sharpen again our skill using rolling statistics and moving average. Okay, and then time series decomposition. Okay, all these three things are very important if you are a marketing graduate, if you want to actually do better in your marketing survey or research, or if you are just going to start working on some sales project as a sales engineer, or if you are a very working as a very like a prestigious role in some company sales department, then these things are very important. The time series analysis is very important for marketing. Time series, if you are anyways, if you are going to generate some money, then definitely time series analysis is actually very much important. Not only money, for any sort of forecasting, right? So then next topic is actually numpy performance optimization. Okay, so here we'll be going to learn vectorization and optimizing code. Vectorization, with the help of that we'll be going to learn how to optimizing your code. These are the advanced topics, and then we'll be going to learn some memory management tricks, uh, tips and tricks, and then profiling and benchmarking. So all these things are advanced topic. If I give you some hints now, it will not going to help you to understand, but I think when I actually going to start this module, I'll try to do it very slowly so that everybody will understand. So these are the few topics which we'll never find in the internet or YouTube, any other like playlist. This is for the first time I'm creating this very detailed tutorial, because before creating this tutorial I did a lot of research and I find out what are the things are missing in other playlists, so that I can actually come up with some valuable content so that you guys can get the benefit out of this. Okay, because numpy is very important thing if you are going to start your journey as a data scientist or machine learning, or ultimately if you want to do better in some AI topics, right? So next thing is actually next two things is actually very basic thing. So some best practice guides and tips. So I'll going to help you to write your efficient code. I'll give some error handling and debugging tips, and also some further advanced resource for learning. And the last part will be the conclusion. So here I'll be going to actually give you a complete recap or overview of what exactly we learned, what are the things you can do as a project. That also I give you some idea, and after that maybe I'll also share you some insights about some jobs like where actually you can apply with your limited numpy skill. Like why I'm saying limited numpy skills, because after numpy you have to also learn matplotlib, pandas library, right? And also you have to be very good in object oriented programming. So that is something limited like skill, but again I'll try to help you to give some insight about some jobs and some requirements, so that you can actually at least try your luck. Okay, and last but not least, we are not going to stop here. My target is actually to finish this tutorial in next 1 month, and after that I'm planning to actually start a new series on pandas, and after that we'll be going to start a new series on matplotlib. So all prerequisite, whatever is required for data science or machine learning will be covered, right? Okay, so guys, with this thing, let me conclude this video But thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting content, and remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated. And happy coding. And last but not least, guys, if you want to actually if you really like this video, or if you think this video is going to help you in the future or someone else, please share the video with that person as well, and try to put some comment, good or bad, doesn't matter. Try to put some honest feedback so that we'll understand what is missing, or maybe we'll understand what else we can do better in our upcoming videos as well. Okay, so this is only the introduction part, and we'll start with the actual tutorial from next video. I'm excited to teach you guys, and I hope you guys will join me from the next video onwards. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and happy learning, happy coding.